Hi, welcome back to Buy It Forever. This is final update in the ZX81 eBay repair series. As you can see, we've got the 1K Tetris game running. Got a new keyboard membrane, so all the keyboard works now, which is pretty cool. And the other things I had to do was basically replace all but the ROM and 2 memory chips. So we've got the VLA81 replacing the ULA, and we've got a new, in fact I think it is a new Z80 CPU. So yeah, and then so that's pretty much fully restored to almost like a new computer. That's pretty good. So, and also I'll just show you this book at the side, just as a side thing. Got this, which is a newly reprinted version of this book, and I've already typed in a few of the programs. They're all pretty much basic programs, apart from some machine code stuff as well near the end. But it's all done on the ZX81. So in some of the upcoming videos, I'm hoping to maybe type a few of these in, or maybe convert some of the programs into assembler code. But yeah, they're all 1K compatible, which is pretty good. Another little update, just off camera, bring it in. Got this 16K new RAM pack. So this uses SRAM, so that's why, compared to the DRAM version, which was the original RAM pack, 16K RAM pack, this is a lot simpler. As you can see, there's only 2 chips on it. I think one of them's a 7400 logic chip, and the other one's just an SRAM, 32K SRAM chip. I'm pretty sure it's actually, I think it's only 16K that you can use on it. I'm not sure. I'd have to look up how maybe you need something else to get full 32K out of it, but yeah. So that's pretty cool. So the good thing about this is I just got this on eBay. I'll put a link hopefully in the description. You have to solder it up yourself. The good thing about it is it's a lot lighter than the original RAM pack, and the other thing, as well as that, it's got a new edge connector. It doesn't move around. You don't get the wobble like you would do on the original RAM pack. So yeah. Anyway, that's pretty much that for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.